everybody. I got my buddy Johnny over here, and we were working on his 70 Chevelle. He just had us tune it up, and he had us blast and paint the rims. He had us adjusting the rockers and fuel pump, just some basic stuff. But it's a really cool story. He's had this thing for a long time, lots of history. He's getting back on the road. He's gonna do a little bit of wiring, and then this thing is back on the road, and he's gonna tell you a little bit about it. Go ahead, Johnny.
My name is Johnny V from Orlando, Florida. This is my boy Sean Taylor. This is my 1970 Chevelle SS, 40 years. Me and my dad, we built this car together. 40. Now got it back on the road again, and fresh motor, fresh everything on the car. So a little here and there. I would like to thank Sean for doing this beautiful work.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. See us on YouTube, and I'll send another video with a burnout.
Yeah.
Peace.
Gun? Yeah, do a walk around. I'll start it up.